Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how and where you're going to check the Zambian StarTime customer care number. So if you have your decoder and you have your remote in your hand, the number will be on your screen shortly, but for you to check the current number, they can change it from time to time. You pick up your remote and you press on the M button, which is the menu button on your remote. You press OK on it, and from the menu page here, use the arrow left key and then shift it from the channel list menu onto the other side of the menu, the left side of the menu, and then use the arrow top and down key, search through the list, put it on self-service, and then you press OK, and then you proceed. So on the self-service page here, you come down to the last option, which is contact us, and then you press OK to proceed. So on this page, as you can see, we have StarTime customer care number with those country flag attached to it. So you look through it, and then we have the Zambia customer care number, which start with the 22000-096700220 over there. So you pick the Zambian number and then you call for help, but make sure that you have enough airtime before calling them for help. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share on other platform, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.